What's going on, y'all? Rod J, Rod Buys Cash, Get Paid Network, checking in. On the way to a property in Scottdale. Had a call. This was actually, no, I take that back. We was driving for dollars. I was driving for dollars. You'll actually see that on the video that comes out before this one. Was driving for dollars and ran across a sign, and we gave the sign a call, and the seller wants to sell. So we're on the way to go see that property. So anyhow, stay tuned. We're gonna go take a look at that property, talk to the seller, and see if we got a deal. Matter of fact, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna do a giveaway, and we're gonna start the giveaway next week. So watch the video to the end of the video, and I'll give away the details on the giveaway. So anyhow, headed. If you have a property that you want to get rid of, you can give us a call. We'll do the same for you. 404-997-3555. Or you can check us out online, rodbuyscash.com. So we're pulling up over here in Scottdale at this property. The seller is already there. I believe my dad is at this property too, the six-figure real estate wholesaler. I think he's here. So I'm pulling up now and about to go inside and take a look. Stay tuned. So we're checking in over here at this Scottdale property, and we're gonna take a look at the inside. You see the outside. It's a pretty good property. All brick, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, solid foundation. So let me know what you think.
Somebody came back here. Look at shit. I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, it's and you look under here, it's that unit is fairly new. They said it was new. They did
I'm gonna take pictures later.
okay.
And I just want to I like to get my footing first before I know what's going on. How old is this compressor?
My brother said it's fairly new. We had my sister passed away and she rented it out. I couldn't tell you.
Okay.
I really don't know, but
So how long has it been since
the house? Well, I retired in 2015, so we was once you get in, you'll see they were doing some work in there.
Okay.
But the roof needs repair.
Okay.
Okay, because a limb fell. This is bad over here. Limb fell off the roof and into the roof and was leaking.
I got a question. How long has it been since that was used?
About 4 years.
Okay. It's just past about 4 years ago?
No, just past about a year ago.
Okay.
I retired in 2015 and I'm the one that I'll be 67 in May.
May what? May what?
25th.
Mine's the 7th. That's why I asked.
My brother's is the 8th.
Oh, really?
Yeah. My wife is the 4th.
Oh, man. Tough dealing with them, isn't it?
But now, that's what I was just ready to say now. They put those houses up back
Actually, I was about to ask about
3 or 4 years. Now, that might be, but... Okay. Now the bedroom situation. This was a bedroom. Everybody said, why you have a bedroom right right here. It was my brother. Matter of fact, when he's younger, he's about 3 years younger than I am. And it's my youngest sister, which is about 3 years older than I am. And she's there. She was in this room. My brother and I was right here in one bed with him. Queen bed with him. So, but now I know how to help the window and all of that stuff. So.
The best thing you do with this is try to do like open floor plan.
Yeah.
And add another bathroom.
I've heard so many people come in, and that's what we're going to do. He's talking about how you can go up and all that.
Yes.
I ain't so.
Yeah, the ceiling can be a little higher. You probably would have to go up if you can't go back. That's why
You can go back. You can go back. I know this is probably about 50, 75 feet from the street. So you can go all the way back if you want. Matter of fact, that's what my sister, when they passed away, she was in Decatur. They had a long lot also, and she sold her, well, when she passed away, her daughter sold it. The ceiling was back like 8 foot, ceiling. And now this is bigger too, man. This here is a dirt. This is not a crawl space under there. So this is a dirt. So, and then from there, once you get out here and see the wall there, you go back there, you got that much space back there. Again, he wanted to do architect. Now another thing too, and let me tell you this while I'm thinking about it. I know this wall, this wall, you didn't do the drywall. So this wall,
no insulation.
well, I'm thinking, and it's been a long time, man. I think all of your outside walls is like that.
So you have to be insulated for the current code.
What he did was he kind of knows the thing. What he did is put strips in here and put panels in here. So that's how he did it.
Alright, so we are finishing up at this Scottdale property, and I can't lie, this one's a pretty good deal. What I'm most likely going to do is, this might be something that we put out to my buyers list and see if there's something they're interested in, because it's definitely a great area. It's an up and coming area, so we'll see how that goes. But anyhow, we'll touch bases in a second. I'm gonna talk to the seller and see what we can come up with. Talk to you in a second. So we're headed back to the lab after looking at this Scottdale property, and it's looking like a pretty good property. I'm most likely going to lock it down. I'm going to go ahead and send the contract over and get it locked down. So by the time you see this video, most likely the property will be under contract, and we will be making a move from there. But other than that, we're headed back to the lab, and I want you guys to go ahead and go to the website, or if you're on the Instagram page, click the link on the Instagram page in the bio and sign up for our cash giveaway. What we're going to do is we're going to do a cash giveaway starting this week, next week, and we'll see how it goes. All you got to do is follow the directions. There's no purchase necessary. Win you some money. Anyhow, Rod J, Rod Buys Cash, Get Paid Network. Let's do it.
Better watch the way you talk to my client, homie, start walking. Wait a minute, will a nigga really get it if I go off?